India vs West Indies 2025 Test Series. Team India new squad. Number 1 KL Rahul, right-handed batsman. Number 2 Yashasvi Jaiswal, left-handed batsman. Number 3 Abhimanyu Isran, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Sai Sudarshan, left-handed batsman. Number 5 Shubman Gill, right-handed batsman. Number 6 Prasidh Krishna, fast bowler. Number 7 Dhruv Jurel, right-handed wicket batsman. Number 8 Jasprit Bumrah, fast bowler. Number 9 Rishabh Pant, left-handed wicket batsman. Number 10 Nitish Kumar Reddy, all-rounder. Number 11 Ravindra Jadeja, all-rounder. Number 12 Washington Sundar, all-rounder. Number 13 Akash Deep, fast bowler. Number 14 Kuldeep Jadhav, spin bowling. Number 15 Shreyas Iyer, right-hand batsman. Number 16 Sarfraz Khan, right-hand batsman. Who is your favorite player? Comment. Don't forget like and subscribe.